Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales. It's Friday afternoon and I wanted to show you this 2016 Toyota RAV4 LE. Clean Carfax, one owner vehicle with no accidents and just 25,000 miles. Still has a balance of factory warranty. New body style. Smoke-free interior. So if this weekend search has you out looking at SUVs and that $25,000 to $32,000 version of this makes you feel uncomfortable and you'd rather be in the teens, well, come see me. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales, 694-1234. We're on Highway 200 in Ocala, and our website is prestigeforyou.com. 25,000 mile, 2016, clean Carfax, Prestige Auto Sales Ocala. Look forward to your visit.